Hey, this is Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge that reads as follows. First of all, we have this equation 4x plus 10 divided by 2 minus b equals a times 6 plus x. And we're asked if this equation has infinitely many solutions and a and b are constants, what is b? Okay, so first of all, when it says the equation has infinitely many solutions, that means that you can plug in any value of x um, into this equation and make it true. Okay, um, and we know that a and b are constants. Now, here's the deal: if we have infinitely many solutions, we can put in there's all values of x are possible. That said, what I want to do is I want to, looking at this, I want to find a way, I want to actually eliminate some of this stuff so I can solve for b. If I put in x equals -6, look what happens. On this side right here, 6 plus -6 is 0, and then 0 times a is 0. So that will eliminate that whole side of the equation and help me to be able to solve for b. So let's set x equal to -6 and plug it in. So you have 4 times -6 plus 10 divided by 2 minus b equals a times 6 plus -6. Like I said, this is 0. All of this goes away. I'm also going to simultaneously divide both of these terms by 2. I don't have to, but I want to make the numbers simpler to deal with. So that's going to be 2 times -6 plus 5 minus b equals 0. 2 times -6 is 12. -12 plus 5 is -7. So -7 minus b equals 0. Add b to both sides. And b is equal to -7. Let me know if you got that in the comments. Also share with a friend, like and subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.